Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this 90s Mickey Mouse Lorus watch, which is in pristine condition. As you can see here on the back, it still has the original blue sticker that it came with from the factory. That is something very cool and rare to find. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. When it comes to the features, it has that moving hands of Mickey Mouse, which are the actual hands of the watch, so that is something very cool. As you can see, this is the hour hand, and the one that rotates faster is the minutes hand. Then when we push the crown back in, we can see the seconds hand ticking, so the watch is in perfect working condition. It keeps accurate time. It has this silver tone case with the immaculate acrylic watch crystal, so this means that it is plastic. You can actually polish it so that you can remove the scratches if you keep on wearing it. Here on the back we can actually see made by Lorus, and then we have the model. So you have V5156080, and then you have also A1. This is the version with the silver tone case and the white dial. We also have the gold tone case with the gold tone dial. We also have the gold tone with the white dial on our website. So as you can see, there are a lot of variations. We also have the Minnie Mouse with the same silver tone and white dial. We have a few musical watches, as you can see right here. So this one has a musical function button right here, and this one has the 3D moving Mickey Mouse with a musical function here, and also the option to select mode and to set, so you can actually set the time and also an alarm. So pretty cool watches. All of them will be listed on our website, vintageradar.com. As you can see, we have a new blue leather watch strap placed on this watch, so very cool watch. Link in the description below. So that was the video, guys. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.